Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. So firstly, if you're already logged in, you'll have to log out because unfortunately changing your password here, you need to type in your current password. So just scroll down and press log out. And then once you've logged out, you'll be able to enter in your email address right here. And then once you've done that, click on forgot your password. And then it will send instructions to your email. So once that's done, go to your email and then open up the email and then click on reset password. And now you can set a new password and then you can click change password, and now it will have changed your password. Alright, thank you for watching.